some old sewing supplies, and I thought I would share them with you. Let us have a look together at the items, and you could probably help me recall why on earth did I buy these items in the first place. So here we go. The first one is actually this mat. Who knew I had a self-healing cutting mat? And it's, let's see if I can get the dimensions here. It's sideways. It's a Fiskars Donna Dewberry collection, and it's 1723 with the extra inch, so it's a 18 by 24 Donna Dewberry collection self-healing mat. Look at that. And it's double-sided. This is a blue color. I'm going to flip it and show you the other side, and then I'll show you the boxes that I found. Hold on a second. Okay, here we go. I flipped it and it's purple. Look at that. A purple and blue mat. This is so pretty. Okay, why haven't I been using it? Well, the reason may be because I haven't used the items in these boxes. So here we go. This is box number 1. And box number 1, it's very pale, but if you look closely, you'll see 18th of December 2015. This box is 4 years old. And box number 2, let's get box number 2 here out of the way. 29th of February, this is brighter, 29th of February 2016. So this is 3+ years. So let's start with the first box, because I know you're anxious to see what sewing supplies I set aside and never used. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put it to the side and show you them one by one. Alright, so this is a sneak peek of the box on its side, and then I'm just going to show you guys the individual items. Okay. Okay, so I removed a bunch of zips that was at the top of the box, and then set that aside. We have some nylon thread here. These 3, a white, it looks like olive or forest green, and a darker shade of green nylon thread in particular. These may have been some older thread just thrown in the box. I'm not sure where I ordered that. Nylon thread. Twine, handy twine. A snap fastener kit, a small one with 6 sets. Set that aside. An eyelet kit, threads. Was that 5/32 inch? So this is a small eyelet. A brush from somewhere. 2-piece snap utility knife set. This looks local. I don't think this would have been ordered. This was probably just put in the box. Okay, let me move that out of the way. We have a bag of looks like snaps for bags. Backing. It's there. And a hook to put it over. So I believe I probably bought them thinking I'll be making bags. Here's the twist hook. It's a good set in here. Some red and white wonder clips. Definitely looks as if bag making was in mine. And this is so dry that it has fallen apart, but it's a flex design rule. Wow. Why did I set these things aside again? But it's a flexible ruler. OMG, I've never used this. I've seen everybody using it. A sewing gauge with a slider, and I have one, and I have never ever used it. I just use my tape measure. Some more bag snaps. It's magnetic because they're sticking together. There's the base and the other pieces to put it through. These bags are not labeled though, but it's obviously bag making equipment. What else is in the bag? Brushes. So the other brush must have come from this. And final set is some needles. And look what I have here. A Schmetz. Is that the correct pronunciation? Schmetz twin needle. I have a twin needle and some extra Singer needles. Wow. That's the end of this box. Pretty well preserved. These don't look rusty at all. Looks pretty shiny silver for 4 years. Okay, let's get to box number 2. Move box number 1 out the way, and here we go with box number 2, which is lighter. Alrighty, first thing, something I've never used, a rotary cutter. Box number 2 is 2016, so this will be 3+ years. Wow, this blade is a little rusty, so let me not cut myself, but this would probably need changing, that blade. But it's a rotary cutter. And some more bag stuff. This one actually has a label. It says 1-inch D-ring for hair bow holders and belts. 50 pieces. No. Look at that. 50 20 pieces of bearings, unused. And what is this one? Rivets. Rapid rivets. From Tandy Leather Factory. Its package contains 60 assorted fasteners, brass and nickel. Unbelievable. It's a kit. There's a kit. And 60 fasteners. Wow. Have to make bags soon then. That has to be 2020. What is this one? It's clasp. Yes. It says, what does it say? 20 pieces of silver clasp, hook for strap, new. And it's shiny. It's not even rusting a bit. Wow. $20.20, y'all. Have to make some bags. Last thing in this box is webbing. Country Brook webbing. Black. Let's see the label. 1 inch. Country Brook design 1 inch polypro webbing, 25 yards new. Webbing. I had some plans for this, obviously. Box is empty. Oh boy, this has been fun. I hope it was fun for you too. Obviously, you now know what will be in my 2020 plans, sewing plans. But there you have it. The mystery items in the boxes. Bye.